to mabisa mapusine mena tabakwa na mampakama atitinya wanga ale podijin wabe bakwa dire tanla. So my brothers and sisters, you're welcome to our weekly news review where we look at trending news in the past week. The other trending issue has to do with the mass outbreak of anthrax in the Binduri district. If you recall, I spoke about it just a few days ago. Now the animals are dying in droves. And here is a picture of, somebody sent this picture about the murders of sheep. Video na sini lava sana Binduri wala ya pisang lepuswala na kwa nuru ngandalo jokomala so da salam na ranyangan dumza tinna pana na yo krita agrikde mawom na kan modum ngobka da salam kuma bola na wamina chadu ko pa won ruba ataba sabalum nya pisang le dola na ber landa boda landa. So it's not only cattle, sheep are also dying. And it is important for us to warn those of us who have a penchant for consuming dead meat to be very careful, because you might end up dead. And usually when anthrax attacks an animal and it dies, you don't see flies around the animal. It is also important, even if you see flies, to call the veterinary experts to check the animal to make sure the disease is not contagious. So we're using this medium to warn a lot of our people, especially those in the Upper East region, to be very careful of consuming dead carcass. Otherwise, you might end up dying because of that. Naratiri kunama akbalala naratiri natanamu mena ambisibo bikama abisi natanga tuomole jamo boko kabne jignala to kubudia nyama tukoya nyine niyakama ama jampisa po kala de tate pamu bulukut apotem pare banyinga tame dunsinga tambatu chakama boko yalma le tama bolgen yalma te nuruba kin lo da dunsa so bayane umba fo va kyo yere da atod bolum fo ngar kan nyama za banyinga fo ze bolmo bakandra lo fo wuzuk ko de tos kan nyoke adela fo kan nyama ci vie defu kare de tate pam par banyinga pisa ya almara pi to ko ba jambo mama da ni ga nyini so ma van ngare salem buluku dungan pi ne ka dira yinde ne dingobe ne ganya girke de mata ba janya dunka asika marse ne dingobe ya bunne ne tasu no ngop kandare te de nyela kama atindur ba pakpi Binduri nuru da pi ma banyinga balo ko namula wolo no ba tada no ngobe wa pi malgen bala vukama kala te ta pampare dungan pi ne yanga po te fezija bunnya dunga aya ne ka yinde pabdika ne ganya girki te ba janya namu sai ba bura masu guga no gu atite danga pisi te kaya we gane